A new Claude Code feature has been released a few days ago. Now your Claude Code sessions can talk to one another. What we usually do before this feature was released is we would ask the current session to create a handover document, right? And then we would create another session and ask it to read that handover document. This used to be the only way to bring the current session up to speed. But now with this feature, things are more straightforward and we can save time by simply asking the current session to read from another session directly without any handover document. I have two screenshots over here, so let's talk about the one on the left. You can see that this session received a message from a session called Cinematic Websites, denoted by the @ symbol as well as the blue text. This means that session messaged this session with information, right? Number 1, number 2, number 3, information, tips, etc. And then we take a look at the one on the right. You see a similar thing happening. There's an @ symbol and then a blue text called Yang Wang Video. This means that another session called Yang Wang Video is messaging this session, providing it with tips because this session asks that session some questions. And you can see here, confirm and thanks for asking rather than guessing. So that session, Yang Wang Video, gave some tips to this session. You can see 1, 2, 3. For number 3, for example, it gave the tip of it does not loop. Please handle it on your site. It's worth knowing that when sessions talk to each other, it passes a note. It doesn't copy and paste the entire conversation from one session to another. As you can see here, it's giving notes, tips related to the questions being asked. It doesn't copy paste the entire conversation. And then another thing that you should know is that let's say you have one session creating an ebook draft for a 47-page ebook draft. And then you open another session and ask it to create a sales page copy for that ebook. And let's say for some reason, the ebook draft that you originally wanted to be 47 pages long, but the session actually created a 62 pages ebook. And this session would know that it has been updated to 62 pages. And hence it would update the sales copy by itself because these two sessions can talk to each other. One thing to note is that for this to work, you need to tell this session, you can do it at the beginning of the session, and tell the session that the task that you are going to be working in this session is related to another session. And in this case, it's the ebook draft session. And here's a tip for you. Name your sessions with an intuitive name. So for example, sales page copy, because then you will know who messaged you, right? If you don't name your sessions, then the system will assign you like a random name. So for example, Welly Business Workflows, there's 51, which is not intuitive at all. So if you go scroll back here from these examples, I know that the Yang Wang Video session is messaging this session, and I know what that session is about because I've used an intuitive name. Same for this one. I know that this cinematic website session is messaging this session, and I know that what the cinematic website session is all about. And to name your sessions or to rename your sessions, you can just type in /rename and then the name, which is sales page copy in this example. And you can also see the available sessions that are currently available by typing /list-agents. So like this, /list.agents. And you will see in this example, there are two sessions available. One is the YouTube video 19. Again, I have renamed this. So it's very intuitive for me. I know exactly what this is about. But this one, the Welly Business Workflows 51, I have no idea what this is about because it's not intuitive. Before you try it though, this only works on Claude Code. It doesn't work on Claude.ai chat, and it doesn't work on Claude Code. It only works on Claude Code and only on version 2.1.224 or later versions, and only on macOS and Linux. I'm pretty sure that they're going to update so that it will work on Windows as well. But at the time of this recording, it only works on macOS and Linux. And thanks for watching. Before you go, you can grab 15 free AI workflows for free, including the video animation AI workflow, the Notion content calendar AI workflow, the Polish ebook generator AI workflow, the Instagram carousel AI workflow. You can grab all of them for free at cardmingo.com/g/resources. The link is also in the description. And if this helps, please consider liking and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.